quick way of accessing music in Instagram Reels is to save your music. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save and access your saved music in Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. First of all, let's just look at how we can find audio tracks. So the first way is just going through your feed and finding Instagram Reels. You can click on the reel and then you'll see the music right here at the bottom. You can click the bookmark button as soon as it's activated, then you know it's saved and it's going to be in your saved audio. You can also just go into your Reels and start looking through them. And you see the music right here at the bottom. If you see this arrow pointing up, that means that that music is trending. So you can just click on it, save it. Now to access your saved music, you can do that by going to your profile, click on the three arrows on the side, and you go to saved. And then you'll see a folder for audio, so click on the audio. And you can see all that there, so you can preview all of them. You can click on it. You can see other reels using that music just to give you some inspiration. And you can click use audio here at the top or scroll down a little bit and click use audio here at the bottom. So we're gonna go and create a new reel. I'm just gonna pick a video clip. And then you see here it's going to show me audio. So I just click on audio. And this has a few things here. So in the top, if I clicked saved, you can see I can access all my saved songs. By clicking on that arrow button at the front, I can actually preview each of them before selecting them. If I see the arrow facing up, I know that is a trending audio. But I can also see here some featured songs that I can clip through and select. Some for you, some new releases. I can preview all of those and then click on the one that I want to use. Done. And there it is with the music and the reel. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time.